We will be also doing it in the major city areas. And once again तुमच्या माध्यमान आनी एकदा अपील करता फूड बिजनेस ऑपरेटरा कडेन की जांचें कितें तरी वयर सकयल जाल्लें आसा तें लेट देम सो मोठें एक्शन घेवन जाग्यार घालचें. अशें रावचें न्हू की FDA येतले मागीरूच आमी करतले म्हणून. सो आमचो एकूच ऑब्जेक्टीव तुमकां आपोवन हें सांगपाक इज दॅट अवेरनस जावन सगळ्या जाग्यार इम्प्रुवमेंट जावन सगळ्यांनी आपणें हें करचें. अशें न्हू की ऑथॉरिटी येतकूच आमी करतले वो लिगल एक्शन घेयल्यारूच आमी करतले. इट्स इज अ रॉंग एप्रोच. एक फावटी FDAचें लायसन्स घेतलें म्हणून त्या फूड बिजनेस ऑपरेटराची ती रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आनी दे कॅनॉट शाय अवे फ्रॉम द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड दे कॅनॉट से की आमकां खबर नासलेलें. नो, वन्स द लायसन्स इज टेकन देन दे हॅव टू वॉट यू से कंप्लाय. एंड ऑल्सो वी वूड अपील टू कंज्युमर्स दॅट इफ दे फील दॅट जागे अप टू डेट ना जाल्यार असले जागे त्यांनी पेट्रनायज करचे न्हू आनी दे कॅन ऑल्सो रीच आउट टू अस. वी वील गो एंड इन्स्पेक्ट दीस प्लेसीस.
Matches of Kalangut, Kandolim, Anjuna, Vagatur, Shiolem throughout last almost 2 months, and we are getting the feedback from the people that the eateries in and around, especially at this place, are operating in a very unhygienic condition. Because of that, we are all here. We have inspected all the eateries in the vicinity of this Alanka theatre, and we have issued them inspection notices first and foremost. We are bringing to their notice what are the discrepancies they are facing, and they have been preparing this food in a totally unhygienic condition. It is also observed that in spite of being and trading on several occasions, first take trading, it is seen that the same food business operator are engaged in using malpractices of using of food color which is not permitted physically in the food items. So we have almost given them all inspection notice, and we will close down the certain premises which are not in good hygienic condition. Until and unless all the deficiencies are complied upon, we will not give them permission to start this premises.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.